Hello, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can schedule posts on Instagram. So in order to do this, it's really easy. All you need to do is open Instagram just like this. Once you've done that, simply click on that plus icon here at the bottom of your screen to start a post. Once you've done that, just select the posts you want to basically schedule over on Instagram. I'm just going to use my logo for now. Once I've done that, I can simply head over to next, and I want to add some filters, music, or just touch up the entire post if I want to. Once I'm done with that, go and head over to the bottom right again to click on next. Once you've done that, we can now start scheduling this post. To do this, go to the bottom of your screen at advanced settings. Once you've done that, here at the top you will find schedule this post. All you do is enable it, and now you need to basically select when you want this post to go live. Let's say I want to make it go live tomorrow at 7 p.m. UTC, then all I do is just select 7 p.m. like this, and basically once I've done that, I'm good to go. Once I've done that, click on done, just like this, and it will say schedule this post, and then it will say the date it will be scheduled. What you can now do is simply head over right here, add a caption, and then click on schedule, just like this. Once you've done that, you can either turn on sharing for both stories and posts, or you can just keep it manually. Just click on keep current settings if you don't want to. Once you've done that, it will say scheduling, and that's basically all we need to do in order to schedule your post. To view it, just click on view like this, and it will say right here that it will be scheduled at the time basically you have decided. And yeah, that's basically all we need to do. So if you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.